Learning and memory. One, it is important to understand how consumers learn about products and service. Learning is a relative permanent change in behavior caused by experience. Learning is an ongoing process. Our knowledge about the world constantly updates as we are exposed to new stimuli and as we receive ongoing feedback that allows us to modify our behavior when we find ourselves in similar situations at a later time. The concept of learning covers a lot of ground, ranging from a consumer sample exhaustion between a stimulus and a response. Psychologists who study learning advance several theories to explain the learning process. 2. Conditioning result in learning. Behavioral learning theories assume that learning takes place as the result of response to external events. Psychologists who subscribe to this viewpoint do not focus on internal thought process. Some other approach to learning is represent this view classical conditioning and instrumental conditioning. According to the behavior learning perspective, the feedback we receive as we go through life shapes our experience. 3. Learn accession with brands generalists to other products. One advertising research requires the any more than 3 experts to a marketing communication are wasted. The first expose creates awareness of the product, the second demonstrates its relevance to the consumer, and the third reminds him or her of the product benefit. However, even this bare-bones approach, one solution is to create variants of the same basic message to alleviate the problem of other advertising were out. Fourth, there is a difference between classical and instrumental conditioning. Instrumental conditioning or operant conditioning occurs when we learn to perform behaviors that produce positive customer and avoid thus the yield negative customers. We may learn to decide behavior over a period of time as a shaping process rewards or intermediate action. Instrumental conditioning occurs in one of the three ways: positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement, punishment. Learning process. Attention, the consumer focus on a model behavior. Retention, the consumer retains this behavior in memory. Production process, the consumer has the ability to perform the behavior. Motivation, a situation arises wherein the behavior is useful to the consumer. Observational learning, the consumer accrues and performs the behavior earlier demonstrated by a model. Type of memory. Sensory memory, temporary store of sensory information, capacity high, duration less than 1 second, vision of a few seconds, hearing. Short-time memory, brief store of information currently being used, capacity like limited, duration less than 20 seconds. Attention information that process took and attention get in transferred to short-term memory. Long-term memory, relative permanent stroke in information capacity, unlimited. Duration long or permanent. Elaborative reversal information subject to elaborative reversal or deep processing is transferred to long-term memory. 7. The order product we associate with an individual product influences how we will remember it. According to attribution models, a memory, an incoming place of information gets stored in an associative network that contains many bits of related information. Spreading exhibition allows users to shift back and forth among levels of meaning, brand specific, ad specific, brand interpretation, product category, evaluated reaction.